Wow, nice total recovery, not total recovery, but from the breakdown, total recovery. So the problem is it's right up into the 100-day. Has to stay above this 1180 because that was the breakdown area. This is tricky though. You know, it's still, a lot of these are still bankruptcy risks, right? Really, really, really not what you'd call a safe bet. Let me just go over to the Bitcoin chart. Hold on. Oh, that's really good. Alexander, I'm getting the Bitcoin chart because I really want to see what this looks like now with that wedge. Oh, we're exactly there. So careful on all the chasing of these micro caps. I would also look at the Bitcoin. So this was the wedge. And we got right back up to the top of it right here, right now. This is a 200. So it wouldn't surprise me if we go right back up to that kind of 20,000 area. And then we'll have to see what it's made of. Can we get and stay above that? That would be very bullish. Or do we just basically overshoot and turn right back down? So far, my indicator is showing bullishness. So your crypto bounces that you're playing, right, can go all the way back up to this 21.5. If we really get going right here. So if, right? But this potentially, look at how tight it was right here. Goodness sakes. All right, and then it scooped higher. We're in resistance. So BTO and MSTR and MARA and every single low oversold crypto play right now is faced with a dilemma. Do they have enough energy to break above that wedge and move higher? So literally right now, Ethereum is right at the top of that wedge, happens to be the 200. We definitely have some little positive stuff going on here above zero. The question is, does it have enough energy to get back above and get right back into this kind of 1700 area? If so, all those crypto plays are going to continue to move. Yes. So this is all in play. The problem is I just showed you those two charts of Ethereum and Bitcoin. They are right at resistance. These crypto proxies are part of that whole micro cap dash for trash sector rotation theme that's been going on all week. Just be very careful because the underlying is at resistance and they all follow the underlying. So anyway, the crypto space to me is very interesting as it relates to sentiment. So if we do have right now a follow through, market will like that. There's a correlation to NASDAQ, both sentiment and price. The underlying, however, is definitely at the top of the wedge. So I would say watch Bitcoin as an arbitrage play as well. I'm sorry, GBTC, because currently, if Bitcoin breaks that wedge, this net asset value to Bitcoin is a buy. So what do I mean by that? I haven't looked recently. Somebody could go look that up, but the point is it's like a 45% discount to the underlying. So if Bitcoin breaks above that wedge, they're going to come into this play and get all excited because it's an arbitrage play. It's a 40% discount to the underlying. They will start to get in here it'll get very busy. Does that make sense? So we've already had the speculative dash for trash, blah, 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 go higher. Crypto, bankruptcies, memes, the whole bid. If Bitcoin gets going and breaks above right here, up to that 1700, this is an if-then kind of play, okay? We've already broken above the zero line. That's bullish. We could get and stay above, that's Ethereum, sorry, this 200-day. But why that matters is because if you're chasing the Bitcoin proxies and or in GBTC, I think GBTC would be great risk reward because it's at such a pronounced discount. So this is what you're looking for. If then you got 22,000 area, 21,000 area. It's 21.5 to be specific. And this would be a trigger right here. We got to get above 19,000. Okay, so that's what you're looking for. Otherwise, it's rejection. I have no idea. But if you are in this world of Bitcoin stuff, then here's what you do. You do not want Bitcoin to break 1,800. If it breaks 1,800, it's going to go back down to this wedge. If it gets above 1,900 and more pronounced 2,000, 20,000, you have not just 2,200, but you've got more like 25, 2,900. Let's see what the measured move is here. This is an if then. This isn't a high conviction. The only thing I'm saying is if we do break above, Bitcoin proxies will continue, but GBTC will get some institutional flow because of that NAV differential. That's all I'm saying. In the meantime, they're bringing Bitcoin back up to this 11.7. Then we'll see what it does. But more importantly, I want to just kind of remind that we don't have any reversal yet in the underlying. That's Ethereum. That's Bitcoin. We still have microcap moving higher. Left for dead. I think that's basically it. I think the Bitcoin is being chased with all the proxies. That's where they're going to be focused their attention for the end of the day.